Okay, to find missing side lengths in similar triangles, the first thing that you want to do is orient your similar triangles. So you'll need to look at the angle markings. So you can see that the 10 centimeters is between the single angle and the double angle, and the 12 centimeters is also between those two. So therefore, those sides there, the 10 centimeters and the 12 centimeters, they will be corresponding sides. The 9 centimeters is on the same side as the y, so those ones will be corresponding sides, and the x and the 5 will be corresponding. So once you've marked that up, you decide which pronumeral you're going to find first. So in this case, we're looking at x. So for x, we do x over its matching side lengths. So x is matching to 5. And that's going to be equal to another length on that same triangle that x was on that also has a corresponding side. So we could choose 9 and y or 12 and 10. And the reason why we wouldn't choose 9 and y is because we don't actually know what y is yet. So we will choose 12 and 10. Now it's very important that x and the 12 are both on the top, and that 5 and 10 from that same triangle are both on the bottom. Once we work this out, we're going to have x is equal to 12 over 10, which will multiply by 5. So our answer for this one will be x is equal to 6. And we can put on the units as well. So now we can go ahead and find y. So for y, the corresponding side on the other triangle will be 9. And we will look for another side length over here that has a corresponding side. So we're going to choose 10 and 12. Notice on this one as well that we've got 10 on the top and 12 on the bottom. Whereas when we did it from the other triangle to find x, we did 12 on the top and 10 on the bottom. And the reason for this is that y and 10 are both on the same triangle, which is why they both have to be at the top. 9 and 12 are both in the same triangle, so they will both be on the bottom. So when we multiply this through, we get y is equal to 10 over 12 times 9, and that will give us y equals 7.5, and we'll add the units in there, 7.5 centimeters.